Good day, good day. So today we're going to be doing the 12 volt wiring, setting up and all the electrics and the fuse box and so on like that. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. So I'll switch around and show you where we're going to be putting all this crap. So batteries and that are all going to be sat in this corner of the kitchen units here, where the space you're not really going to be using. So at the bottom is going to be all the batteries, and all the wires are going to run into that section there. Fuse box I don't have to fasten onto the top round here, around this area here and that, or to run it behind the driver's seat at the bottom so I can get to it from the driver's side. Not sure yet, but I'll work that one out when I get to it. So yeah, let's get started. So a few bits I'm going to need. Here's my thick wire. This is, I don't know if you'll see that. Come on, focus, you bloody crap. 35mm. This is joining the batteries together. Gone for the big thick stuff is because I'm going to be running around a 2000 watt inverter. So the bigger the inverter you're going to be running, a bit fatter these wires have got to be. So yeah, gone for 35mm wire. Probably a bit overkill, but there is a bloke on YouTube. He goes into all this wiring thickness and the diagrams and all that, and he seems to know what he's talking about and that. And he says if you're going big on the inverter, these wires what are joining the batteries and that together and to your inverter has got to be bigger to save them burning out. So yeah, that's the reason why I've gone big on these wires. We've got these for my sockets. These are just so they're bolted, well, fasten into your plywood and all that. Got this thing here. This is off Amazon. 4 switches. I didn't really want the big black ones with a load of switches and that on. I think this is going to do. 4 switches. It's got 2 USBs in. I've got a couple of these 12 volt cigarette lighter sockets. I need to install one of these down here for me cooler box. I do have the USB ones as well. I need to fit, well, I'm going to be fitting one on the side here as well. So if you sat here, put your phone on charge and that there. I got 2 breakers, 50 amp. I need to connect between my solar panel and one between my fuse box, I think it is. I'm not sure, I'll have to check the diagram. These are my battery terminals. As you can see, so they fit and they go thin. These are going to be from the main ones where my power comes out of my batteries. Then from the other batteries, I've just got some quick release battery terminals like this. Get these out. Yeah, so they're just quick release ones. They're from the other batteries. So yeah, I've got 200 amp hour batteries. So should have enough amp hour. Got a load of wire. To sort this out. This is my solar panel controller. I am swapping up to the MPPT. I'm actually waiting for that to turn up. So yeah, got some wiring to do. Got to wire these switches here and the USBs and all that up. run them wires all the way down and across. Got a fuse box as well. Where is that fuse box? Here's my fuse box. I think it's a 12 bladed fuse box. Yeah, that's it. I'll show you more of it when I do it. So yeah, I think that's about it. I know I've got more stuff somewhere. Just have to dig it all out. It's everywhere. So yeah, let's get started. This is the earth one done. It's going to be the last one on the car. There we go. This is going to be my main earth. So my main earth wire is going to come out to the fuse box and so on. So that's why I put that one on the other side. Here's just quick release. So that's the earth. Let's do the live. So that's my live done. Just got to connect these to the battery. So, virtually done. Well, the main setup. As you can see, the battery is reading 12.6. Charging by solar panel. It goes from the solar panel down to that breaker and down to the battery, and the earth goes straight from the controller straight down to my battery. Then we got another breaker here. The live comes from my battery up into that breaker, out the breaker into my fuse box. The earth goes from the top of my fuse box straight down into my battery. Yeah, so at least my batteries are charging now by solar. Yeah, been a bit of a pain to do, but it's there. So all I've got to do now is rig my 12 volts straight in to my fuse board there. My live's at the sides and my earth's at the top. Yeah, like I say, it's a bit of a pain. I will put a picture up now of the wire diagram I've gone by. So there's that. All the batteries are fastened in at the bottom down there. So I've got 4 batteries all done. So that's that. So what I've got to do now is run all my 12 volt to my fuse board there. So yeah, I've got me battery to battery relay to fit as well, but yeah, we're getting there. So a few days later, and we're still not finished. So I'll switch around and show you where I'm at the moment. So as you can see, mostly everything's all wired in. I still need to tidy them wires up, but it's working. That's my cigarette lighter charger point for the cooler box. These are back to the others. So I'll bring them around here. There we go. This one here is for my fan at the front. That's suck and blow. This one here is for my blower. Yeah. That'll be for my water pump, and that's for interior lights. Well, that'll be the lights underneath the cupboards. That's all wired in. The wires up there just need when I get the lights and the cupboards fitted, all wired in. Yeah, I got a spare one, and that's going to be for them. Yeah, I don't know where I'm putting them yet, but hey, we'll soon work that one out. This one's all wired in. That's my ceiling ones. Pretty bright. When it's dark, reversing. Oh, I'll just take these up for now. Oh, they're all wired in. There for me. USB points there. And the bottom light switch where the lights will be going underneath this top bed here. When I get round to fitting them, they're all in. That cigarette lighter one, well, USB port there's done. We've got a switch here for them ones there. They're all working. Plus my sockets. That's that one done. It's one for the microwave and my battery charger. We plugged into this one as well for my batteries. So that's that one. Still got my unit to fit. The size moment, I'm just doing my rotary switch. This has got 1 and 2, so I can switch between mains and my inverter. That's the only reason I'm fitting this, and that will be going there. Just inside the cupboard, I could just open the cupboard, switch it, the inverter, or run it off the mains. That's pink microwave. That's going to be sat there because we're having a drawer. Well, going to try and build a drawer above it for utensils. So, rotary switch. As you see, this wire here will be going to my mains. This wire here with the plug will go into my inverter. And the back of my plugs here, yes, I'm running that double into this double here. What will then run into my rotary switch. The rotary switch is this. Go off Amazon. Pretty easy really when you get your head around it. How to work it out. So yeah, there we go. That's where I am at the moment. So we're going to leave it there for today. As got work in a few hours, been called in early again. So we're going to have to leave it there till next weekend, I think. And try and get a day on it next weekend. And try and get this consumable unit fitted and the lead to connect the hookup lead to the house or campsite done. Don't know where I'm fitting that yet, but yeah, like I say, we're getting there slowly but surely. Soon all this wiring's done and that, I can start finishing the kitchen area, the bedroom apartment above. The seats and that need to be done, and these side units. I just wanted to get all these, the electrical side done, the 12 volt and the 240 volt done first, then all the wiring's done. So yeah, there we go. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there. Stay safe. See you next time.